This section covers fundamental electrical concepts, including circuits, current, voltage, resistance, and common components. Let's begin. Secondary voltage of a transformer with a 10-turn primary and a 50-turn secondary is blank the primary voltage. A equal to B 1/5, C 1/10, D 5 times. Correct answer, 5 times. When battery cells are connected in parallel, the total voltage blank. A adds, B multiplies, C drops to 0, D stays the same. Correct answer, stays the same. When electrons move from low to high potential, current is considered blank. A negative to positive, B positive to negative, C AC only, D blocked. Correct answer, negative to positive. Two 1.5-volt batteries wired in series supply blank volts total. A 1.5 volts, B 1 volt, C 2 volts, D 3 volts. Correct answer, 3 volts. Current is measured in blank. A amperes, B volts, C watts, D joules. Correct answer, amperes. The SI unit of electrical potential difference is the blank. A volt, B ohm, C ampere, D farad. Correct answer, volt. The product of coulombs and volts gives energy in blank. A watts, B amperes, C joules, D ohms. Correct answer, joules. In a parallel circuit, the blank across every branch is the same. A current, B resistance, C voltage, D power. Correct answer, voltage. The US mains frequency of 60 Hz means the AC waveform reverses direction blank times per second. A 30, B 60, C 120, D 240. Correct answer, 120. A potentiometer is simply a variable blank. A capacitor, B inductor, C transformer, D resistor. Correct answer, resistor. What component stores electrical energy in an electric field? A inductor, B resistor, C transformer, D capacitor. Correct answer, capacitor. A material with a nearly full valence shell is a good blank. A conductor, B semiconductor, C insulator, D ferromagnet. Correct answer, insulator. The hot, live conductor in U.S. residential wiring is typically colored blank. A black, B white, C green, D bare copper. Correct answer, black. A circuit drawing 2 amperes at 120 volts consumes blank watts. A 60 watts, B. 100 watts. C. 240 watts. D. 720 watts. Correct answer, 240 watts. A rechargeable lithium-ion cell is a source of blank current. A. Alternating. B. Direct. C. Pulsating AC. D. Half wave. Correct answer, direct. Which term describes the complete stoppage of current due to a broken path? A. Short circuit. B. Closed circuit. C. Parallel branch. D. Open circuit. Correct answer, open circuit. In a series circuit, current is A. Different in each load. B. The same everywhere. C. Equal to applied voltage. D. Zero at ground. Correct answer, the same everywhere. The unit farad is used to specify a component's blank. A. Inductance. B. Resistance. C. Capacitance. D. Power rating. Correct answer, capacitance. Which symbol identifies an N-type semiconductor diode? A. Circle with X. B. Zigzag line. C. Triangle bar arrow. D. Parallel plates. Correct answer, triangle bar arrow. Which component can reset after interrupting excessive current? A. Fuse. B. Circuit breaker. C. Thermocouple. D. LED. Correct answer, circuit breaker. Copper is preferred for most wire because it balances low resistance with blank. A. Reasonable cost. B. Highest conductivity. C. Zero brittleness. D. Magnetic properties. Correct answer, reasonable cost. An inductor primarily resists changes in blank. A. Voltage. B. Resistance. C. Current. D. Temperature. Correct answer, current. An integrated circuit is primarily a package that contains many blank. A. Transformers. B. Capacitors. C. Transistors. D. Fuses. Correct answer, transistors. A rheostat is most often used to vary blank in a lighting circuit. A. Frequency. B. Capacitance. C. Inductance. D. Resistance. Correct answer, resistance. Which subatomic particles move to create electric current? A. Electrons. B. Neutrons. C. Protons. D. Ions. Correct answer, electrons. Household wiring in the United States delivers blank current at 60 Hz. A. Alternating current. B. Direct. C. Pulsating. D. Half-wave DC. Correct answer, alternating current. Which device stores energy in a magnetic field? A. Capacitor. B. Diode. C. Inductor. D. Photoresistor. Correct answer, inductor. A diode's main job in a power supply circuit is to blank. A. Store charge. B. Step up voltage. C. Rectify AC to DC. D. Tune frequency. Correct answer, rectify AC to DC. A bridge rectifier uses blank diodes to convert both halves of an AC wave to DC. A, 2, B, 3, C, 6, D, 4. Correct answer, 4. Closed circuit must contain a voltage source, conductors, and a blank. A. Switch. B. Load. C. Fuse. D. Potentiometer. Correct answer, load. Which component blocks current in one direction and emits light when forward biased? A. LED. B. SCR. C. Thermistor. D. UJT. Correct answer, LED. Ohm's law can be rearranged to solve for current as I equals blank. A. RV. B. VR. C. PV. D. VXR. Correct answer, VR. A 12-volt car battery contains 6 cells in series. Each cell is blank volts. A. 1 volt. B. 1.5 volts. C. 3 volts. D. 2 volts. Correct answer, 2 volts. Silver is the best conductor but is rarely used for house wiring because it blank. A. Is too expensive. B. Has high resistance. C. Is brittle and magnetic. D. Corrodes quickly. Correct answer, is too expensive. Power in watts equals current squared times blank. A. Resistance. B. Voltage. C. Capacitance. D. Frequency. Correct answer, resistance. The following formula calculates a circuit's blank. A. Current. B. Voltage. C. Resistance. D. Power. Correct answer, power. The magnetic field around a straight conductor increases when you increase blank. A. Current. B. Voltage. C. Resistance. D. Capacitance. Correct answer, current. A fuse protects a circuit by blank when current exceeds its rating. A. Melting. B. Opening mechanically. C. Absorbing the surge. D. Stepping down voltage. Correct answer, melting. The device that converts AC voltages up or down with no moving parts is a blank. A. Generator. B. Capacitor. C. Transformer. D. Rectifier. Correct answer, transformer. A material whose valence shell is exactly half full is classified as a blank. A. Conductor. B. Insulator. C. Semiconductor. D. Ferromagnet. Correct answer, semiconductor. A thermocouple produces a voltage in response to blank. A. Pressure. B. Light. C. Temperature difference. D. Magnetic field. Correct answer. Temperature difference. Electrical energy consumed over time is billed in blank hours. A. Volt. B. Kilowatt. C. Ampere. D. Joule. Correct answer. Kilowatt. The opposition to current flow in a circuit is measured in blank. A. Volts. B. Ohms. C. Watts. D. Coulombs. Correct answer. Ohms. The base lead of a transistor primarily blank. A. Stores charge. B. Controls collector-emitter current. C. Rectifies AC. D. Steps voltage. Correct answer. Controls collector-emitter current.